Hi everyone and welcome to another exciting episode. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how I make ogbono soup, also known as draw soup. The ogbono is blended, so I start by pouring in some palm oil to activate it, mix together and set aside. I add some stocked fish into a boiling pot of chicken. Here I'm also going to use the smoked catfish, also known as the black fish. Give it a mix, then cover and allow to cook for 3 minutes. At this point, I add the ogbono mixed with palm oil, mix together. You'll notice the texture is becoming thicker and slimy. Here's a trick on how to make your ogbono draw. Don't fry the palm oil, and if your palm oil is frozen, allow to defrost on its own, and if you must use it immediately, you can preheat for just 30 seconds, allow to cool off before adding it to your ogbono. Then I add some Ugwu leaves. You can also use spinach, you can use bitter leaf or any vegetable of your choice. Give it a good mix, see how it draws so nicely. This can only go wrong if the palm oil is too hot or the ogbono itself wasn't preserved properly. And lastly, I add half a teaspoon of salt to taste. The chicken was seasoned with Cam all-purpose seasoning, fresh chili and onion, and some ground crayfish. With the stock, I didn't need to add any other seasoning to the ogbono soup. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I did that. And yes, the soup is ready! Serve and enjoy with any swallow of your choice. Thanks for watching this episode. Please come back next week for another exciting recipe. If you learned a thing or two concerning this, give it a thumbs up. I'm DjCam. If it tastes good, go on, eat it.